Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is tournament weekend again. Setting up campsite with the boys. Mr. T-Dubs and Shannon. We got a nice campsite at Bass Lake Provincial Park. Tomorrow morning we're moving up to Parry Sound to fish Georgian Bay. It's going to be the 4th event of the year. We'll see how it goes. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward for the camping, the camaraderie, to be honest. Here's a little setup we have going on. Some steaks are going to go on the grill in a second. Our other group of buddies are unfortunately stayed in a different campsite. This was very last minute. I wasn't planning to do this. I was just going to leave my house at 2 a.m. and then drive to the tournament, but I like this. This is cool. Just be here, enjoy it with friends, have a good time. So we'll show you guys around for the next little bit while we make dinner, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow on the lake. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this GoPro's working right now because there's a lot of rain and I can't see the screen, what's happening. It's all blurry, but here we are, guys. Tournament morning, Parry Sound, Georgian Bay. It is a rainy morning. I've been fishing for about an hour now, and even though I got my rain suit on, like, the water's still coming in through the neck, through the sleeves, so I'm a little wet already. Luckily it's not super windy. There's a bit of lightning in the background, which has me a little freaked out. You know, as long as it doesn't come this way, I guess we'll be good. It looks like the wind is pushing the clouds that way. We're gonna keep on fishing here. Today, guys, I'm trying out my new kayak. This is my new Pro Angler 14. Same color, same 360 system. So it's an exciting day, maiden voyage for this kayak. Let's try to get a limit, guys. Let's keep going. On my jerk bait. I got a decent pike over here.
Trying to get out of the dam.
They're gonna stop throwing a jerkbait. Oh, the giant. Oh, I got something. Please be a bass. Oh, it's another pike. Okay, it's almost a jerkbait. In the net. Probably picked the wrong area to fish. Coming here was my plan B. I didn't go to my plan A because I thought it would be a little too windy. It's very next to the big lake. I thought it, come here, get a little more protection from the wind. But I'm not catching. Just talking to some friends that launched on the side that my plan A was. They got their limit. They're catching a lot of fish. A lot of small fish, but you know, they're catching, right? There we go. Is that a bass? Yes, it's a bass, and it's gonna measure if it doesn't come off. Oh, he came in the net. Yes. Woo! Came off the hook, landed in the net. Oh, how lucky was that? Well, guys, that was fish number 1 in the leaderboard. Oh my god. Try to catch a couple more of these around here because there's a big storm coming, and I'm not sure if I want to be out here. That sounds terrible. See if we can fish for a couple of at least half hour. You see this storm coming in? So the guys that are fishing kill bear right now, they all got off the water. Tyler just pulled over to somebody's cottage and is chilling there. I'm gonna put my fishing rods away. GoPro, stop recording. The weather has been icy, to say the least. The rain is pretty bad. I haven't been able to catch a limit. Obviously, we got off the water for an hour. But the thunderstorm passed by. There's a lot of lightning. Not so much the thunderstorm, the thunder, but the lightning is like, it's what's scary, right? At the end of the day, you gotta stay safe. We all gotta go back to our families. So staying safe is priority number 1. I can see clear skies coming up over there, so that's a good sign. The rain should be over in the next hour or so. So yeah, let's see what we can produce over here. What is this? What is this? It's a pike. This guy gave me a hard time to measure, but I got him on the board, 12 and a half. That's number 2. It's been a long day. It's been a wet day. 2 more hours to go. Try to get a limit in the last 2 hours. Let's see. Let's make miracles happen. Cheers. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video here. It's gonna be a very short one. Today was, like I said, tournament day for Georgian Bay and Parry Sound. To be honest, I was feeling a little bit more confident today. Like I thought I was gonna be able to get a limit, not to win it, but I thought I was gonna be able to like at least be in like 75-80 inch mark. And with the weather, the area, I don't know, but I completely screwed up today. I only got 2 fish. I believe I'm at like 28 inches. Really low score. But I'm tired. I'm wet. I gotta go and change. And we're gonna head back to the launch, head back to the award ceremonies, and get something to eat because I'm starving. Because a raccoon decided to steal my lunch last night. Went to the cooler, stole some food. But anyway, we got 15 minutes left of this tournament. I'm gonna fish this rock wall and then head back to the launch. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Cheers.